Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm one of the founders of Please Share. This is the second informal video in a series that we're putting together to go into certain features and functionality of our solution. One of the key components to understand our system is to understand the difference between share request and engagement request. And a share request is probably what most people are familiar with when it applies to employee advocacy. And this is an example of how one of those share requests appear in Slack. And you see the call to action buttons on the bottom. One is to post to Twitter and one is to post to LinkedIn. And we'll show you this in future videos, but you're able to prepare content for each of those channels. And this is the classic use case of employee advocacy. I'm preparing company branded content and I'd like my employees to help share that on social media channels, in this case, Twitter or LinkedIn. But with Please Share, we also have the concept known as engagement requests. Engagement requests are ways for employees to engage with a company's post on LinkedIn or on Twitter, a tweet, for instance. And in this example, this is a LinkedIn post that appears in Slack, and you see down below there are 3 call to actions, like, share, or comment. And really the difference between them is that a share request is really designed to increase distribution and reach of the company's branded approved content, whereas engagement requests are really designed to drive likes, shares, which can also be used to drive reach and distribution, and also comments, but on companies' existing posts on LinkedIn and Twitter. Now, I think one of the great ways to illustrate this is through this interactive demo that we have on our marketing site. And you can see in the URL, it's just pleaseshare.co/demo/slack.html, but you can also access it directly from our homepage. And this is a great way to just kind of illustrate how these concepts function. And on the right-hand side, you have 3 examples of share requests that represent typical requests that you may get from marketing or HR. There's some new content, maybe a new job posting, or there's a new event like a webinar. And then below, there are different types of engagement requests, from one a tweet and then one a LinkedIn post. So let's just try, as an example, the company event. The company has an event that they're trying to get their employees to help build awareness about, and they would create the share request in Please Share. We'll go through that in future videos. But the end result would look something like this in Slack, where the content appears and an employee has the 2 call to action buttons. In one, let's just say, is in Twitter. So I'm just hitting post to Twitter. A box appears and I can select post, and that message is sent automatically to Twitter directly from Slack. And this assumes that you've signed in or authorized your Twitter or LinkedIn account directly through our service. The other type of requests that you can use our service for are the engagement requests. And here, let's say that I want to boost engagement with a LinkedIn post. So LinkedIn post would appear in Slack, something very similar to this. And all I have to do, this again assumes I'm signed in, and you can sign in directly through the menu bar. But if I just have signed into my LinkedIn account, then all I have to do is select like, and the like is registered directly on LinkedIn, and it's all done directly from Slack. So it takes literally a second or two to see the update, engage with it, and the benefit of the employee advocacy initiative is handled directly through Slack. So that's it for video 2. Stay tuned for other videos coming up shortly. Thank you.